Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and today we get to review a Frozen themed Pez with Elsa as the character, and we're also super lucky because we found limited edition red velvet Oreos. The cream inside these Oreos is flavored like cream cheese. Let's take a look at the Pez first. We see Elsa, and this Pez comes with 2 times the candy. Let's turn it over. Here's the nutrition facts and the ingredients. And this is what the top of the package looks like. We're going to open this up. Here's what Elsa looks like. She's beautiful. There's lots of detail. Her hair is braided. This is what she looks like from behind. And this package of Pez came with 2 raspberries, 2 orange flavored candies, and 2 cherry flavored candies. We're going to try the raspberry. Put it in the dispenser. This is what the Pez candy looks like. This one's raspberry flavored. It's a little rectangle, and it says Pez in the middle. And the back side is exactly the same. Full of candy. Hi, Elsa. Can we have a piece of candy? Sure you can. So we tip her head back and get a piece of candy out. This candy tastes very good. It's a raspberry flavor and is a hard candy, and when you bite into it, it turns into crumbles into a powder. The raspberry is a nice flavor. I'm going to open the orange and show you what it looks like. Here's the orange. It says Pez. The orange has a nice flavor, nice citrus flavor, and very bright, clean tasting. And here's the cherry. I broke it a little bit. The cherry is also nice. They taste better than I remember them. They're very sweet, fruity, clean tasting. So I'm happy with these Pez candy. Elsa, will you help me review the red velvet Oreos? Sure, I'd love to. I've been dying to try these. Let's take a look at the package. We found these limited edition Nabisco red velvet Oreos. They're only out for a short time in February. And the first thing we noticed about this package of Oreos is it's significantly smaller than a regular pack of Oreos. It's 10.7 ounces. On the back, it says cream cheese flavored cream, red velvet. Here is the nutrition facts and the list of ingredients. And we're going to open this package up and try one of these Oreos. This is what the package of cookies looks like. The cookies are brown with a hint of red. I'm going to open it up. Here's the cream in the center, and there's little flecks of the chocolate red cookie inside. I'm going to close it back up, and I'm going to taste it. My review on these red velvet Oreos is that I think that they're a lot of fun. I do taste a red velvet flavor, and I can tell that the cream in the center is cream cheese. It's just slightly different than a classic Oreo. It's definitely different, but it's not day and night different. I think this is fun. I think it's a fun treat to have around Valentines, and it is exciting for all red velvet lovers. And I think if you guys like red velvet, and if you like Oreos, you should give these a try. Elsa, what do you think? I am so excited about these. I think they're amazing. Well, thanks, Elsa. Well, friends, if you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love reviewing junk food and candy and playing with toys. Hope to see you again soon.